Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jessie James Bead for March of 2022. It's called Dragonfly Dreamscape. And this is the card from it. And it says what's inside. All of these beauties here. And there's also a spring design challenge. Capture your favorite spring dream using components from this box and post to social with the hashtag JJBeads Spring Design Challenge at Jessie James Beads and at Jessie James Bead for a chance to win a $50 JJB gift card. Deadline to enter is May 2nd. That's kind of cool. So let's see. Oh, look at all these beauties. And there's also 40% off clearance with code Dragonfly. No minimum required. Limit 1 per customer. Expires June 1st. So let's see. Oh, just so many beauties. Okay. So let me take everything out and we will get started. Okay, so number one is the Dragonfly Make-Along Mix. Let's see what this is. It's got a beautiful pendant here with a dragonfly on it. And then this beading wire. And then a little thicker beading wire. Okay. So that's really pretty. Doesn't have any holes in it. So it either could be glued some down or you could bezel it to attach onto something. So that's number one. Number two is the wildflower seed bead mix. I'm not going to open this one up because the seed beads will be everywhere. But we have this pretty white, the blue, we have the lilac purple, and then these are pretty, kind of like a bright, like a tangerine pink almost, like if you were to mix tangerine and pink together. The flamingo. Very pretty. Okay, and then we have the custom dyed Heishi beads. Let's see these. There's just a few of them. And they're kind of made of like rubbery. Very pretty. Kind of look like an Easter basket. Okay. And then Spring Morning Czech Mix. Oh, this is really pretty. Get one of my cleaners and we can take it out. Oh, pretty. Oh, very pretty. I love these beads. These look like the Czech glass with the Picasso finish. Oh, beautiful. Oh, what are these called again? Okay, I'm having a brain fog. Not cylinder beads. Oh my gosh. Forgot what these are called. I will remember after I get done with the video. But yeah, so we've got two of these really pretty beads here. Very pretty. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Really pretty. And we've got 2 of the longer beads. Very pretty. Two of these irregular ones. They almost look like teeth. Like when you get your teeth pulled. And those are pretty, like a creamy white. And then we have these pink ones. Beautiful. We have these. Oh, I cannot think of the name of these. Not cathedral. Wait. Oh, I will remember after I get done shooting this. These are really pretty. I've got some ideas already for these beads. Two of these purple ones. And then these are really pretty. Love those. Those got the Picasso finish. And then we have these. You can see through, they're really nice. The holes are really nice. Seems like the beads this month are pretty good quality. Like these are really pretty. Purple. And then these little beads in here. Very pretty. Then there's the spool of elastic. Beadle on elasticity stretch cord. Get a whole nice thing of this. I don't really do stretch bracelets, but I should venture out. I'm a memory wire bracelet girl because I feel like sometimes the stretch bracelets, they break on you. They don't last as long. And so to me, you know, because I sell my stuff, that I want something to last forever for a customer. So, but I should span out and do some more of those. So then there's the Tierracast metal set. And that's these. Oh, here, yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a dragonfly button. Those look like little bumblebees. And their little leaves. Very cute. So, those. Then we have the metal assortment. Get these undone. So first we have some of these, just toggle clasps. These are pretty. There's different ones here, and then there's a little attachment one here. This would be pretty. So it comes out. That's really nice. We have those. And then we have all of these. These are very nice quality. Oh, and I need some of these bigger ones. They must have been reading my mind. These are perfect. So two of these. We have three of these. Very pretty. Love the designs on them. Very pretty. And then we have some of these really nice spacers here. Very pretty. Some of these. These are pretty. Little puffy ones. And then we have a few of these. These are nice. And these are pretty. Get three of these. And then you get four of these. There's the hole there. These are very pretty. Then we have the chain reaction. This is really pretty. I did something really cool last month with this. I ended up taking one of my other little pendants from another box, and I used this as the chain, and then I had it dangling, and then I put 3 beads dangling from that, and it turned out really pretty. I ended up selling it at the show I was at, the craft fair I was at. I don't have a picture of it, but this is really pretty. And then there's this one. This one fell out of the bag. This one's really pretty too. Very pretty. Very pretty. And it says you can open them up to add more links and beads and all that. So you have a lot, you know, you can do. And then there's the, oh, this is pretty. Let me get my thing. The Rose Cab and Bezel Set. Of course, I don't have my scissors in here to cut these open because that would make things easy. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. They have the little, you can see the little sparkly rhinestone beads in there. There's 2 of these. Very pretty. There's the flower beads. There's the hole here on the side. There's 4 of them. Then there's these little sparkly ones here. Very lightweight. Those are very pretty. Was this on here? I'm not sure if this was on here to begin with, or if this is something I put on. Well, anyway, if it was on here to begin with, I'm not sure. If it was, I can just glue it back on if I want to use it, but that pretty rose there. Cabochon, and then these little flower beads, very pretty. And then there's another little toggle clasp here, very pretty. And then these little beads here, these are, oh, they're tiny little rhinestone spacers. And see if you can see them. Very cute. We've got all of these. Last but not least is Dreamy Blooms. Oh, this looks pretty. Oh, yes. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, this is very pretty. I love these little tulip bead covers. These could be really pretty. Just some really pretty dangly earrings with these. Got some great ideas for these. We got those. Oh, and then these little ones, these little petals. See, there's 4 of those. 3, 4. Oh. 4. There's 5 of these. These are really pretty. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these. And the yellows, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the yellow ones. And then the blue ones, I think, have the most. Kind of like a soft sky blue, I guess you could call it, say. And this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 9 of these. Very pretty. And then, can you hear my dog snoring in the background? She loves being in my room here. Whenever I'm filming a video, she falls right asleep just listening to my voice. And she just starts sleeping and she's snoring. Oh, and then here's for the metal ones. These are really pretty. And we have these. These are pretty. And we have some smaller ones. There's 2 of those. And then for the smaller ones, very pretty. And then these. I love when they give us just a little bit of everything too, because, you know, you can make something. There's 6 of those. You can, you know, make something that's kind of different from everything else. And then these have a little bit of like a texture to them. Very pretty. And then we have the spacers and a couple of different kinds of bead caps. Oh, that's very pretty. So, yeah, so this is the box for March of 2022. I hope you enjoy it. And let me know in the comments down below if you get Jessie James Beads, and if you do, how you like this month's box. And I will be putting something up. I'm going to try and do a tutorial from something in here. I'm not really sure yet, or I might just make a bunch of stuff and then show you. It just kind of depends on if I start it or not. So, so thank you for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy. My links are below. And I will put a link to Jessie James Beads too. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I have many more to come. So I will see you soon. Thank you, and see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.